Welcome to the 5 Minutes Advice channel. In today's episode, we're going to dive into the exciting world of making money online. With the digital age in full swing, there are countless opportunities to earn income from the comfort of your home. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time online business, these practical tips and strategies will help you get started. Step 1. Identify your skills and interests. The first step to making money online is to identify your skills and interests. Think about what you enjoy doing and what you're good at. Are you a talented writer, a graphic designer, or a skilled programmer? Maybe you have a passion for teaching or a knack for marketing. Your skills and interests will guide you toward the best online money-making opportunities. Step 2. Explore freelancing platforms. Freelancing is one of the most popular ways to earn money online. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to offer your services to clients worldwide. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or marketer, there's a demand for your skills. Create a compelling profile, showcase your portfolio, and start bidding on projects. With dedication and quality work, you can build a steady stream of income. Step 3. Start a blog or YouTube channel. If you enjoy creating content, consider starting a blog or YouTube channel. Choose a niche you're passionate about, such as travel, fitness, technology, or cooking. Consistently produce high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Monetize your blog through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. For YouTube, you can earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. It takes time to build an audience, but with persistence, it can become a significant income source. Step 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share a Sale. Promote products that align with your niche and audience. You can integrate affiliate links into your blog posts, social media, or YouTube videos. As your audience grows, so will your affiliate income. Step 5. Online courses and ebooks. If you have expertise in a particular field, create online courses or write ebooks. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare make it easy to create and sell courses. Write an ebook and publish it on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Share your knowledge and earn passive income as people purchase your courses and ebooks. Step 6. E-commerce and dropshipping. Starting an online store is another excellent way to make money online. You can sell physical or digital products through platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce. If you don't want to handle inventory, consider dropshipping. With dropshipping, you sell products directly from suppliers who handle storage and shipping. Focus on marketing and customer service to build a successful e-commerce business. Step 7. Stock photography and videos. If you're a talented photographer or videographer, sell your work on stock photo and video sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pond5. Businesses and individuals are always looking for high-quality visuals for their projects. Upload your photos and videos, and earn money each time someone downloads your content. Step 8. Remote work opportunities. Many companies are now offering remote work opportunities. Look for remote job listings on sites like remote.co. We work remotely, and flex jobs. Whether you're in customer service, tech support, marketing, or another field, there are remote positions available that allow you to work from anywhere. Step 9. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants, VAs, provide administrative support to businesses and entrepreneurs. Tasks can include managing emails, scheduling appointments, social media management, and more. Sites like Belay, Time, etc., and Zirtual connect VAs with clients. If you're organized and detail-oriented, this could be a great way to earn money online. Step 10. Invest in cryptocurrency and stocks. Investing in cryptocurrency and stocks can be a profitable way to make money online, but it comes with risks. Educate yourself about the market and start with a small investment. Platforms like Coinbase, Robinhood, and eToro allow you to buy and trade cryptocurrency and stocks. Always invest wisely and never more than you can afford to lose. Conclusion. Making money online is not only possible but also incredibly rewarding. By identifying your skills, exploring various opportunities, and staying persistent, you can create a reliable income stream from the comfort of your home. Whether you're freelancing, creating content, selling products, or investing, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful advice and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We'd love to hear your experiences and tips on making money online. So leave your comments below. Let's achieve financial success together.